Hey everybody, this is Renee in Colorado Springs. I'm going to do a brief demo of a inbound AI agent, and this agent we can deploy 24/7 or after hours, so that you don't lose any leads that call after hours. You can have the agent forward you the details. If it's urgent, they can forward to the owner's number or any number that of your choosing. So let me give a brief demo of the agent calling myself. Okay.
Hey, you have reached Bob's Garage Door Repair. How can I help you today?
Hi, this is Renee. My garage door won't open.
Thanks for letting me know, Rooney. Just to make sure I have your name right, can I confirm how you spell it? Is it Runee?
Renier.
Thanks for clarifying. Let me make sure I got that right. Renaer. Did I get that correct?
Renier.
All right, that's Renaer. Thanks for confirming. Could I get your address so our team knows where to reach you?
It's 123 Main Street in Colorado Springs, Colorado, 80920.
Thanks for that. Just to confirm, your address is 123 Main Street, Colorado Springs, Colorado, 80920. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Great. Thanks for confirming. A team member will reach out to you as soon as possible to help with your garage door issue. We want to get this sorted for you quickly. Is there anything else you need help with right now?
No, that's it.
Thanks for calling, Rainier. We appreciate it, and someone will be in touch soon. Have a great day.
Thank you. And that's it. Brief call. Thank you guys for watching.